ladies and gentlemen. Some of my viewers have been asking me what I use to clean my rims on my 1995 Dodge Dakota Sport. And I've already cleaned these rims, so I'm not going to do a video how to do it. But what I do is I'll just use a simple product. I use a bathroom cleaner. I picked this up at Family Dollar before they shut down over here. I think I paid like $1, maybe $2 for it. And then I'll use a Meguiar's liquid hybrid ceramic wax. I'll let that cure. Then I'll use a microfiber towel. And you can tell how they really shine. I also use the whole ceramic wax on my truck, and you can actually see the shine in it. See if I can get a side video of it here. See the shine. I also use it on my windshield, on my windows, my rims, my tail lights, any chrome labeling I got. My mirrors. I also use it on my bed liner here. Slicks it up good and nice. Gives it a good, see if I can see how shine. Gives it a good shine. But I really don't use extravagant stuff. I think I pay like $15 for the Meguiar's. Really nothing expensive. I've used all the Meguiar stuff. I also use it on my mom's vehicles here. Also on the rims, and wash this vehicle. We'll do that tomorrow. I'll probably do a video about that. Let's see if we got the raccoon around here. I got a friendly raccoon that comes around. No, he's not over here. But anyway, guys, if you like this video, smash a thumbs up, give me a comment, subscribe. It really helps. I've got one video now. It's got over 5,000 views. It's got over 121 or 122 watch hours that I really appreciate. Excuse me. I really appreciate all the help that everybody's giving me on my videos and commented and shared. It's really helped. I want to really thank you for that. The only thing I need right now to get my channel monetized is I need 1,000 subscribers. I've got like 63, 64 subscribers. I'm getting halfway there. I'd like to get 100 subscribers for the end of this month, but I don't know if I will. But with your help, we'll see how it rolls. Anyway, guys, if you can, please like, share my... I'm tongue-tied. I've been working hard today. I'm tired. As I was saying, if you can, please like, share, and subscribe on my videos. It really helps. This will be my 81st or 82nd video I've made so far. But anyway, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.